Hello everyone, I am Vignesh M, 2nd BSc Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. Let us learn about what are packages. Let me tell you the contents of this video: introduction about package, types of package, how to create a package, and some advantages of package. A package is nothing but which allows you to group number of classes, interface, enumeration, or anything together. Package is used for space management purposes. When you create number of classes separately, it becomes difficult to find where did you create these classes. In order to have proper space management and to have proper control over these classes, you created the package. Types of package. There are only two types of package. One is system package or Java API package, which is also called as inbuilt package, and the other one is user-defined package. System packages are already defined and we can use them by importing the required package. Let me tell you the types of system package or Java API package. Java.lang, Java.util, Java.applet, Java.net, Java.awt, Java.io. Java.lang. Language support classes. They include classes for primitive types, match function, thread and exception. Java.util. Language utility classes. These are used in programs like vector class, random numbers, etc. Java.io. It is used to support input and output sources. Java.applet. This package is used to implement and create applets. Java.net. Classes for networking purposes. They include classes for communicating with local computers as well as with internet services. Java.awt. It is used to implement graphical user interface, which include classes for windows, buttons, and so on. User-defined package. User can also create their own package by following the syntax: package space package name, class space class name, and the body of class name. In this example, my package name is my package and the class name is class1. Steps for creating the package. Declare the package by following the syntax: package space package name. Define the class and declare it in public. Store the string as classname.java in the created folder. Then compile the file. Java also supports the concept of package hierarchy, which allows you to specify multiple names in a package separated by dots. Accessing a package. By using a class name or by using an import statement, you can access a package. When you access a package by using the import statement must be end with a semicolon. Advantages of package. Package are useful to arrange related classes and interface into a group. This makes all the classes and interface performing the same task together in the same package. Package hides the classes and interface in a separated subdirectory so that accidental deletion of classes and interface will not take place. The classes and interface of a package are isolated from the classes and interface of another package. This means that we can use same name for classes of two different classes. A group of packages is called library Example program: package and the package name is mypack. Class and the class name is myPackageClass. Public static void main. Print this is my package. Save the file as mypackage.java and compile it. To run the package, mypackageclass.java. The output is this is my package.